In today's video, it's Homeschool Lunch Lady. So it's all the logistic of food in our homeschool household of 4 people. And we have a 6 years old and a 4 years old, and we live in Hawaii. Hey friend, welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Magali. This is Homeschool in Paradise, and then I'm excited today to share with you how I plan all the logistic of food in our homeschool household. So this video is part of a collaboration. So it is part of a show and tell series, and then it is hosted by Abby from Rooted in Rest and then Jessica at the Waldock Way. So make sure to check out their channels. I'm gonna put them below in the description box, and then also make sure to check out the playlist that you'll be able to see all the other YouTube mamas that are sharing how their logistic is working in their homeschool. So I'm gonna take you along on how I do everything about food in our home. So usually I go to Costco twice a month, and then and then if we're missing anything, we're gonna go to the grocery close to us. It's just really expensive when we go there. And then like I mentioned, we live in Hawaii and Kauai, so it's quite expensive, but the prices are increasing a lot of places. So let me know as well where you live in the comment. I would love to know that from you. And then I usually do meal prep on Saturday or Sunday for the week, since I work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so I don't have a lot of time to cook. And then I do a lot of meal prep. I freeze it, and then I can take it out and use it as I need. And then I plan the meals that weekend. So we just came back from a vacation for a month, so our fridge is really empty. I'm gonna go to Costco, and then I'm gonna take you along to show you how I plan everything. I always have things in the freezer. So I always check what I have. I can see that I don't have much, but just when I do my grocery list. And then in the freezer, I know I have some stuff here. Then I have a stand-up freezer, so I usually go through all this and then check exactly what I have and then what I need for the week. So first thing that I do is go through all my cooking books. I find the recipes that I want to eat and then that we want to eat as a family. I do the menu for the week. The book that I use that are in English, because I do use two in French. So one of them is Cook Once, Eat All Week. And then I also use the Freezer Family. I'm going to put the links below. This is a membership that I like. And then I also use Google. And then I do my grocery list. Okay, so this is pretty much how I plan my meals. So just a recap if you were not sure. So once a week, usually I just do a meal plan. So this one that I did, you saw that I changed. So that just happens sometimes depending on if I change my mind and then or the schedule or things like that. And then I decide the recipes, and then I do my grocery list, and then I go to the grocery and I cook. So it's pretty simple. I only do meal plan for like 5 days a week at night, and then for lunchtime, usually either for me, I do a salad if we go out somewhere to eat. It's easy for me to do that and to bring it, and then I can do a sandwich for the kids. Or here we have like hamburgers in the freezer, things like that, that it's easy that the kids can eat. And then I usually have my tower garden for some veggies, but right now since we're coming back, I have to start it again, so no veggies. And then that's pretty much how it works. And then snacks, I mean, we do like bread, muffin, or things like that, homemade. Or if we go out somewhere, we're gonna bring some snacks like seaweeds, and then some fruits, vegetables that are cut up, baby carrots. Oh, I need to add that to my list. So we are really healthy, and then I try to make as much as possible from scratch, but then sometimes I just end up eating at work when I'm done if I didn't bring anything with me to eat, but at least the kids and the husband are all good. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I would love to know how how does it work for food in your home? Do you meal plan or you just do it daily? How does it work? Please leave a comment below, like this video, and then subscribe if you're not already subscribed to get more homeschool content. And then remember that this is a video part of a collaboration, so the Homeschool Lunch Lady, everything that is logistic food in my homeschool. And then it's part of the show and tell series. It is hosted by Abby from Rooted and Rest, and then Jessica from The Walked Away. So make sure to go check out their channel, and then I'll see you next time. Bye.